Updating your recipient details on WorldRemit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the WorldRemit website or open a mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Recipient section. Once logged in, find the section labeled Recipients or Manage Recipients. This is where you can view and edit your recipient details. Step 3. Select the recipient to update. Browse through your list of recipients and select the one whose details you wish to update. Click on their name or the edit icon next to their entry. Step 4. Edit recipient information. In the recipient details page, you can modify the necessary information such as name, address, or payment method. Make the required changes carefully. Step 5. Save changes. After updating the details, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to double-check the updated information to avoid any issues with future transactions. Keeping your recipient details accurate is essential for smooth transfers.